Hello everybody. Now our data recovery net has just received another case of the sampling, and the model number is ST1000LM024. I have just tried to connect this drive to the PC, and we can see from the PC we can see that it is running very slow, and even I cannot open any partitions. Even my local drives, my local partitions cannot be listed here. This drive has directly got my PC respond very slowly. And also I try to use the disk management, but I cannot. Here is the disk management. When I click the disk management, no information can be loaded. So it is very slow. And this one is empty. No partitions are displayed here. So for this kind of drive, let's check how to recover it in simple clicks by DFL DDP data recovery program. Now let's try to connect this hard drive to the DFL SRP data recovery hardware. It still ham my PC. Now I will try power off. It's connected on the SATA 1. So this drive has a lot of bad sectors and get my PC handier. I will remove the hard drive and connect this pension hard drive to the DFL SRP. I need to reset the DFL SRP because my PC just got handier. And then we need to wait until the channels come out. We can click the hard reset icon. Okay, now the DFL SRP has been connected and the pension drive has been connected to the SATA 1. Now let's open the SATA 1 and open the DDP data recovery software. Power on the drive. So we can see now the drive gets ready. Let's go to the file extraction interface. Here we can see that all the partitions can be listed directly here. Now we can see this one, it's a little slow, so we can see there are some bad sectors here. We need to check the status it's expanding, so we need to wait until the partition listing completes. Okay, so here and also this one, root, we need to wait until this one complete the folder listing under this partition. It's 1 TB drive. So that means in just some simple clicks, and users can list the North partitions directly and check the data inside. Okay, so the partitions here, the folders under this partition has also been listed here. And this one, some movies here. So we can just simply click the files users need and then right click, recover selected files, and then we can get all lost data back. So this is very easy. If users have the DFL DDP data recovery program, users can find the lost data in a short time and get the lost data recovered by these simple clicks. Thank you for watching this video.